What were your primary duties when you were stationed and or deployed? I guess yours was an aide or a medic.
I wasn't a medic. I was a medical laboratory technician.
Medical laboratory technician. So what were your primary duties?
Do you know that the human body has multiple types of fluid?
Blood.
Saliva, blood, earwax, urine, poop. Right?
Oh my goodness.
Sputum, sperm. I'm trying to think of other bodily fluids. Anyway, medical lab techs know how to get those out. Oh yeah, mocos.
Oh my gosh.
So we extract that from you, and then we test it. That's what a medical laboratory technician
What was the
does.
point? Like, what did that do? Like,
Well, if
if
you
you were
had an
sick?
infection,
Oh.
if you were sick, then we would, run your chemistry and see if your liver function was high, or if your RBC or your red blood cell or your white blood cell counts were off, glucose, all kinds of tests.
that's crazy.
Anyway, so as an enlisted soldier, you pretty much just did what you were told. And so the lab supervisor, and this was at Evans Army Community Hospital, the lab supervisor would say where they needed you to be. So if that was in hematology, that's where you were for your shift. If it was in chemistry, your analysis, blood bank, phlebotomy room, doesn't matter. You just did what you were told. And then after I left Fort Carson, I went to Germany. And at that little clinic where I worked, I was the only lab tech. So I was in a small medical clinic in Dexheim, Germany, and all of our tests, a runner would take them to Landstuhl, which was about an hour away. And so pretty much the same things I did in Fort Carson. And then when I went to Fort Hood, that was when I was stationed at a CASH, which is a combat support hospital. And so it was doing those jobs, but with not as much fancy equipment. It was very field-based.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's so cool. I don't know what I thought you did, but I did not think that's what it was. That's crazy. And now you're an English teacher. Okay. Let's see. What were your primary duties when